good day and welcome to our journey. We are here now at Almanar, going to Relive to give to our friend the sealant of his bike together with Brad TBB, and we will continue to that road and cross inside the or under the bridge. So join us in our journey this morning. Area, and in right side the mountain. Patong batura. So we are near to Breman, and it looks like a PU trail because there is an electric tower, and we will continue to this road and to see there again where we will continue to our travel, this journey going to Relive and meet our friend. So we found wild dog over there. It's a pack of dog. So we are here now on Breman proper, and we are still finding the way going to Relive. It's like a dump site or desert area. It's got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, medic, what can you do? So from here we travel already 25 kilometers, and we will continue farther north. This is the center of Romel. I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? We travel very far away. We are already 27 kilometers, and we don't know what is this place.
find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest.
So we will continue further north until we reach the place of our friend. He cannot move easily because he is very far from the city. That's why he requested us to buy some sealant of his bike so that he can travel again. So we will continue in this road until we reach to that area. We traveled 33.4 kilometers already, and we take a little bit rest in this area. So that is the Medina Road going to the north, and this part going to the south. So we will continue later on after we rest in this area.
What can you do?
So mini graveyard of the vehicle from this area. So we don't know what is this place already, but we are very glad this is we are near. We use Google Map to know the direction we will go into, and we will go in that area to the east before we go to the north side. And this area will be the highway, but it is very dangerous to cross on the highway, and it is prohibited. So let's go. It's about 5 kilometers now before we reach this area. So it is very good training for us. It's the first time we reach this kind of distance, and it's more distance traveling when returning to our place in Al-Zahra.
Trinx, I'm playing everyone I meet, but somehow you were bulletproof.
So we are very glad, and it's about 700 meters we reach to the area of our friends. We don't know what is the name of this place. I will put the description later on.
In 200 meters, turn left.
The way it bends, I never knew we could feel this way.
The Google Map told us that we reached our destination. We still don't know where is his accommodation from that area or from this area. So our friend Brad TBB, he will call the our friend now. We traveled 40 kilometers already, and when we go back it will be more or less 80 kilometers. So we mistake calculate this area. We thought about only 50 kilometers, but it's now one way already is 40 kilometers. So continuing to the location of our friend, we take rest a little bit so that we will have to know his exact location, and the driver told us that he is near from this area. So we will continue to the place and go to the right.
Searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So we saw our friends there now.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
So this is our gift for our friend, the Sealand.
Magkano ito?
Wala, regalo ko nga sa'yo, birthday mo eh.
Kung gano'n eh, may regalo din ako sa'yo. Kaya lang, isa lang.
Sige lang.
Oh,
Ano
ano
yan?
tayo?
Palitan,
Tingnan mo
no?
kung ano yan.
Ano yan? Jersey yata yan eh.
Ito yung regalo din ako sa'yo.
Okay.
Sana ka natin.
Ano pala ito?
Ano bukas na?
Daing. Buksan mo yan.
Laing.
Goldilocks. Dito sa bike mo. Tignan mo yan kung ano yan.
Belt
Buksan
bag.
mo.
Ito. Ayos to.
Belt bag ba? Sadol pag yata eh.
Ito.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on
Oh, belt bag nga.
Hindi.
Ay,
Ano?
water bag.
Basahin mo kung nakalagay dyan.
Pullman.
Basahin mo, ayan o. Sarap
Oh my
mag-bike.
God.
Dito yan.
Sarap mag-bike.
Lagayan mo na ng tubig mo.
Ayan ang sinasabi kong bag kanina.
Oh, yan
Hindi
yan.
ko nagamit pala.
Pinag-uusapan pa namin kanina yan. Kasi nauho kami.
Sticker kasama yan eh. Tignan mo, baka nalukot kayo. Sticker.
Ay, sarap mag-bike pala yan.
Pakita mo yan. Sarap ang bike kayo i-sir. Iyan yan, no?
Shout out
Oo.
kay Sir Ian.
Shoutout kay Sir Ian, ang sarap mag-bike.
Sarap
no?
mag-bike, no? So regalo din
Wala.
sa ating kasama.
Hindi ako makapag-vlog, naiwan ko yung
Ayan.
SD card ko.
Nagsasalita
Maganda yan
siya,
kasi-
nagsasalita, wala palang SD card.
I ain't got no money. The first week of the month.
Pre-install also, maraming salamat sa Pinoy Dili, no? Nabigay ng ating kaibigan here. Later on, pwede na siya makapag-bike. So, sarap mag-bike ulit na naman. Masama natin sa Pio. So, alas 11 na and we will go back to record. Welcome.
Salamat, salamat. Wala sa kabilang ibayo ako eh.
Remote area.
Remote area.
Area, so...
Talagang hindi pwedeng hindi dadaan ng highway eh, no?
Okay, okay.
Ito, tigil tayo.
Salamat and good day sa ating lahat. Salamat sa panonood sa video na ito. So returning home and we meet our friend and we give also the selan and we give Brad TBB the
Bago.
bag with insulator. He can put the water and he give me also the food or Filipino delicacy. So thank you once again. And this time and we are returning to our place. We will travel again about 40 kilometers. So the time is 11 o'clock in the morning.
Of the day, the end of the day. So that man.